There is a lack of understanding about what real life is like for our clients, and I think there's an expectations from people who are on the other side of the table from us, sometimes in positions of power in government, sitting judges, that they don't really understand the realities of our client's life. So we're here in Riverside, California, and we are going to visit individuals and service providers down here to talk about SB 190 and the implementation of SB 190. We co-sponsored SB 190 along with a lot of other organizations to end juvenile fees, eliminate juvenile fees in California. I'm Rebecca Miller, and I am an attorney at the Western Center on Law and Poverty. I do a lot of work on fines and fees and driver's license suspensions and other ways that people are punished because of their poverty. State law used to allow counties to charge families for every day that their child was in some sort of detention facility. So in 2017, SB 190 passed and eliminated those fees prospectively. However, the law did not change those fees retroactively. So in counties where families had already been charged with fees, the counties were allowed to continue to collect those old fees. I've worked with a number of families who are really low income and have trouble making ends meet to pay their rent every month. And so when they are faced with the potential of a bank levy or garnishment, that just pushes them over the edge in being able to meet their basic needs. Before coming to Western Center, I was a consumer law attorney at Bay Area Legal Aid, and before that, I represented agricultural workers in Georgia for about 10 years. A common thread to all the work that I've done in all these different capacities is enforcing rights that we've granted to people through the Constitution or through federal and state statutes, and so proactively seeking to make sure that those aren't just words on paper and that they're actually meaningful. I enjoy getting to work with all the fabulous people who have come to Western Center from a variety of backgrounds and experiences, and mixing that all up in a big bowl and coming up with creative strategies to solve policy problems. Whether it be by litigation or by something that happens in Sacramento. Law doesn't solve doesn't solve all problems. Law is an imperfect tool, and it has to be one of many tools. People who are in that really hard situation are actually the strongest advocate and ally for what they're facing. I am constantly in awe of my clients and their resiliency and their ability to look for solutions in all different kinds of